Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best gaming tablets that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Asus ROG Flow Z13 featuring the Core i7-12700H processor and GeForce RTX 3050 is a cutting-edge 2-in-1 gaming laptop designed for versatility and performance. This innovative device seamlessly transforms from a tablet into a high-performance laptop, providing gamers with flexibility for various tasks. At its core, the Flow Z13 boasts the 12th Gen Intel Core i7-12700H processor, equipped with 6 performance cores and 8 efficiency cores, delivering exceptional processing power for demanding applications such as gaming and video editing. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 laptop GPU, this setup enables smooth gameplay at 1080p resolution with support for ray tracing, enhancing visual realism. Key features include a detachable RGB keyboard, allowing effortless transition between tablet and laptop modes. Its convertible design features a 360-degree hinge, facilitating laptop, tablet, or tent configurations to suit different needs. The inclusion of Thunderbolt 4 ports ensures high-speed connectivity for peripherals like external displays and storage devices. The device boasts a vivid 13.4-inch 120Hz Full HD Plus display, ideal for gaming with its high refresh rate. Accompanied by 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM and a 512GB PCIe SSD, the Flow Z13 provides ample multitasking capabilities and fast storage access. Weighing just 2.61 pounds as a tablet and 3.36 pounds with the keyboard, the Flow Z13 maintains a compact and lightweight profile, perfect for on-the-go gaming and productivity. Additional features like a fingerprint reader and stylus input further enhance usability. Overall, the Asus ROG Flow Z13 delivers a compelling blend of power and versatility, catering to gamers seeking a portable solution without compromising performance. Whether gaming or tackling productivity tasks, the Flow Z13 stands out as a capable and adaptable device. The Apple iPad Pro M2 sets a new standard for premium gaming tablets with its impressive features and powerful specifications. At its core, the iPad Pro M2 boasts a stunning 12.9-inch Liquid Retina XDR display that supports ProMotion, True Tone, and a wide P3 color gamut, making it ideal for tasks requiring high-quality visuals such as photo editing and video production. Driving this exceptional display is the Apple M2 chip, featuring an 8-core CPU, 10-core GPU, and 16-core neural engine, offering unparalleled performance for demanding applications, including photorealistic 3D design and high-end gaming. The device comes with either 8GB or 16GB of RAM, depending on the storage variant chosen, ranging from 128GB to 2TB, ensuring smooth multitasking and seamless operation. In terms of connectivity, the laptop supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, with 5G capabilities on cellular models for fast and reliable internet access on the go. Moreover, it boasts an all-day battery life, keeping you powered throughout your gaming or professional tasks. For creative professionals, the laptop supports the second-generation Apple Pencil, offering enhanced precision and responsiveness, along with new Pencil Hover features. It runs iPadOS 16.1, which introduces productivity and collaboration enhancements to further elevate your workflow. Overall, the Apple iPad Pro M2 excels as a top-tier gaming tablet, combining a magnificent display, robust performance, advanced camera system, and seamless Apple ecosystem integration. It's a standout choice for creative individuals and power users seeking the pinnacle of tablet technology. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE is an attractive mid-range gaming tablet that presents a cost-effective alternative to the flagship Galaxy Tab S9 series. Featuring a sleek metal unibody design and slim bezels, the Tab S9 FE boasts a 10.9-inch IPS LCD with QHD resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate, ensuring a smooth and visually immersive experience for gaming and multimedia. Powered by the capable Exynos 1380 processor, the Galaxy Tab S9 FE delivers enhanced performance compared to its predecessors, accommodating multitasking effortlessly. Available in configurations of 6GB or 8GB RAM and 128GB or 256GB storage, expandable up to 1TB via microSD, this tablet offers ample space for gaming, media storage, and productivity applications. A standout feature of the Tab S9 FE is the inclusion of the S Pen stylus, facilitating note-taking, drawing, and precise navigation. Running Android 13 with Samsung's One UI 5.1.1, users benefit from a streamlined and intuitive interface with extended software support. Connectivity options are comprehensive, including Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, infrared, and USB-C 2.0, with support for Samsung DeX for a desktop-like experience. The tablet's 8,000 mAh battery ensures extended usage on a single charge and supports up to 45-watt fast charging for quick replenishment. With a focus on affordability without compromising key features, such as a large high-resolution display, robust performance, and the versatility of the S Pen, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE emerges as a compelling choice for those seeking a capable mid-range Android gaming tablet with a strong emphasis on productivity and entertainment. The Xiaomi Pad 5 is an Android tablet designed to excel in gaming and multimedia experiences. Boasting an expansive 11-inch WQHD+ 2560 by 1600 LCD with a rapid 120Hz refresh rate, it ensures smooth visuals and responsive gameplay. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 processor and paired with 6GB of RAM, with storage options of 128GB or 256GB, the tablet delivers capable performance for gaming and multitasking. Key features of the Xiaomi Pad 5 include a generous 8,720 mAh battery, offering impressive longevity for extended gaming sessions or multimedia consumption. The tablet incorporates a 13-megapixel rear camera and an 8-megapixel front camera, suitable for casual photography and video calls. Notably, Dolby Atmos quad speakers enhance the audio experience, providing immersive sound quality. The tablet's sleek design features a slim profile, thin bezels, and an aluminum finish, contributing to its premium aesthetics and portability at just 511 grams. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, and NFC. Operating on Android 11 with MIUI 12.5, the tablet offers a familiar and customizable user interface. With its focus on delivering a premium entertainment and gaming experience, the Xiaomi Pad 5 stands out as a versatile mid-range tablet, excelling in display quality, performance, and battery endurance. Overall, it presents a compelling option for users seeking a well-rounded Android tablet for gaming, multimedia, and productivity tasks. The Realme Pad 2 is a versatile gaming tablet that caters to a variety of user needs with its array of features. It boasts an 11.5-inch 2K IPS display with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring a smooth and visually engaging experience for gaming and entertainment. The tablet's sleek design, weighing only 518 grams and measuring 7.2 mm thick, makes it highly portable and easy to handle. Powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 processor, the Realme Pad 2 delivers efficient performance for gaming and multitasking, complemented by up to 16GB RAM and 128GB or 256GB internal storage. Its 8,360 mAh battery supports 33 watts of fast charging, promising quick power replenishment. Impressively, the tablet offers extended battery life, capable of lasting up to 59 days on standby, 17 hours of video playback, or 190 hours of music streaming. Audio quality is enhanced by Dolby Atmos quad speakers, ensuring immersive sound distribution. The tablet includes an 8-megapixel AI rear camera and a 5-megapixel front-facing camera, suitable for casual photography and video calls. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 4, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, and LTE with a single SIM card slot. Operating on Android 13 with Realme UI 4.0, the interface is optimized for efficient multitasking and navigation. Security features like face unlock and PIN authentication add to the tablet's appeal. In summary, the Realme Pad 2 is a well-rounded and budget-friendly tablet suitable for gaming, entertainment, and productivity. While its display and battery life excel, its mid-range processor may limit high-demand gaming. However, for everyday tasks and casual gaming, the Realme Pad 2 presents a compelling option with its blend of performance, features, and affordability.